Wisdom of Solomon 5. Continue study of contrasts.
The righteous man will stand with confidence in the presence of those who afflicted him, and those who rejected his labors, when they see him, will be shaken with this dreadful fear. And they shall be amazed at his unexpected salvation, and they will speak among themselves with regret, and in anguish of spirit they will groan and say, "This is the man whom we fools once held in derision, and made bywords of disgrace. We considered his life to be madness, and his death as without honor. How has he been numbered among the sons of gods, and how is his portion among the saints? And therefore we went astray from the way of truth."
5 to 5.
For the light of righteousness did not shine on us, and the sun did not rise upon us, and we were satisfied with the path of lawlessness, and we traveled through the impossible desert. But the way of the Lord we have not known. What has arrogance profited us? And how has our wealth with its false pretension helped us? All those things passed by like a shadow, and like the news that escaped notice, and like a ship that passes through the waves of water, which after passing through no trace can be found, nor the pathway of its keels in the waves, or like a bird when it flies through the air, no proof of its journey is found. In the light of the air, whipped by the beating of its pinion, and divided by the force its rushing motion is traveled through by the movement of its wings, but after this no sign of its approach is found therein. Or like an arrow when it's shot at an object, the divided air immediately comes together, so that no one knows its pathway. Thus we also, after we are born, we come to an end. Yet we have no sign of virtue to show, but have been entirely consumed in our vice. Because the hope of the ungodly man is like dust carried by the wind, and like a light frost driven away by a storm. It is dispersed like smoke before the wind, and it passes like the remembrance of a guest who only stays one night.